Across the country, streams are under pressure. Erosion, flooding, habitat loss, infrastructure instability, regulatory compliance challenges. And today's environmental professionals are being asked to do more than just identify the problem. They're being asked to restore functional aquatic systems. But successful stream restoration requires more than design software or isolated field methods. It requires understanding hydrology, geomorphology, stream function, field assessment, and restoration principles that all work together well beyond theory. That's why the Swamp School created the Stream Restoration Training and Certification Pathway. This pathway was designed to fit busy schedules while supporting professional career development. Participants can choose the learning approach that works best for them. Enroll in individual courses as needed to build skills over time, or save on tuition by enrolling in the Complete Certified Stream Restoration Professional Designation Pathway. Working professionals who choose to take individual courses can either start with Part 1 and progress forward, or join the pathway at the stage that best reflects their role and experience with equivalent prerequisites. Each part delivers practical skills and documentation practices that can be applied immediately in the field. So here's what you'll learn along the way. Part 1 provides the foundation for understanding stream function and condition. Participants will learn stream classification methods, assessment techniques, and analytical approaches used to evaluate channel form, processes, and overall stream health. Part 2 strengthens field observation skills and develops a systematic approach to evaluating stream conditions. Participants will learn how to collect and interpret field data to support defensible project scoping, identify restoration opportunities, and inform planning decisions. Part 3 connects habitat objectives to the physical processes and conditions that support them. Participants will learn how to evaluate habitat limitations, align restoration strategies with ecological goals, and improve the long-term resilience and effectiveness of restoration projects. Part 4 trains participants to translate assessment findings into restoration decisions that are practical, buildable, and scientifically defensible. Emphasis is placed on developing restoration approaches that balance technical objectives with permitting requirements, stakeholder expectations, and project oversight realities. Finally, in Part 5, you'll focus on how to develop monitoring plans, measure project outcomes, assess restoration success, and use performance data to support adaptive management and long-term project stewardship. For those pursuing the full credential, complete all 5 courses to earn the Certified Stream Restoration Professional Designation. By earning a CSRP, professionals distinguish themselves as practitioners capable of integrating assessment, ecology, implementation awareness, and monitoring into defensible restoration decisions. The types of professionals who pursue the full CSRP credential are project leads responsible for restoration recommendations, QA/QC reviewers evaluating restoration documentation, senior practitioners overseeing implementation, and professionals seeking formal recognition of integrated restoration competency. Whether you're entering stream restoration for the first time or advancing existing field experience, the pathway provides scalable training for both individual professionals and entire teams. This work is vital because stream restoration isn't just about repairing channels. It's about improving resilience, protecting infrastructure, restoring habitat, and building healthier watersheds for the future. The Swamp School prepares professionals to make that work possible. Advance your stream restoration knowledge with training designed for today's environmental work. The Swamp School's Stream Restoration Training and Certification Pathway, built for the professionals restoring tomorrow's waterways.